Okay, so we're ready to make our first game, and it's a soccer game, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how it works when it's all finished so you'll get an idea. Here we have Gobo. He's going to be our soccer player. We have the soccer ball, and we have a stage, and everything is set to start when we click on the green flag. Whoops. And I'm supposed to get over here and kick the ball. I didn't miss. I didn't miss. Okay, let's try that one more time. Whoop. I'm going to use the right and left arrows to get Gobo to kick the ball. And if he successfully kicks the ball, it keeps going. And if he misses, then it says, you missed for 3 seconds, and then it stops the game. And I could start it again with the green arrow. So that's how it's going to end up looking. Let's see how you build it. So let's start by creating the stage that we want for the soccer game. So remember, we click on the stage, so we're now in the properties for the stage. We want backgrounds, and we have this nice blank background, and we're going to edit it. So go to the paint bucket, select it, then choose the green color that you want, and dump the paint in your background. Okay, now you're going to select the rectangle tool. You're going to make sure you get a nice white color, and you're just going to draw your goal line like so. I'm going to make it kind of thick. Click OK. And now we have our own background. Now I like to use Gobo instead of the scratch cat. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go up here and I'm going to hit the scissors, the delete, and I'm going to come down here and take away the scratch cat. I'm going to go to this little folder for choose new sprite from file. And in the costumes, in the fantasy section, double click. I like Gobo. So there's Gobo, but he's really big relative to the soccer field. So here's what I'm going to do. Here is the shrink tool. I click on it, I drag it over Gobo, and then I click it to shrink Gobo until he's about the size that I want. Okay, I like that. That's good. Now I'm just going to click in some other area to make the shrink tool go away. Now what I need is a ball. So a ball is going to be another sprite. I'm going to go to choose new sprite from file. And I don't want fantasy anymore. I want costumes. I want things. And if I click down here, I have a soccer ball. Now the soccer ball is too big, so what am I going to do? I'm going to use the shrink tool. Shrink, click my soccer ball down to size. I think that's good. Okay, I'm going to come out here and click to get rid of the shrink tool. So now I have the stage, Gobo, and my soccer ball, and I am going to actually name them what I want them. So Sprite 2, if you look up here, since we're clicked in it, that's in the Sprite 2 area. I'm going to delete that and I'm going to call it soccer ball. Now I'm going to go on Sprite 1 and I'm going to call that Gobo. Okay, so at this point you should have your stage ready and all the sprites that you're going to need made and ready to go, and that's Gobo and your soccer ball, and then we're going to come back and write the code for this project.